In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wix SEO basic and advanced settings. We'll walk through Wix's built-in SEO tools, so your site is ready to be found on search engines, and I'll share helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your Wix dashboard and heading to Setup. From there, go to Marketing. In the Marketing area, choose the SEO Setup checklist. This is where Wix guides you through the essentials. Click Get Started to begin. When prompted, type into the highlighted field. Add clear, relevant information based on what the screen asks for. Keep it simple, accurate, and human-sounding. This helps search engines understand your site. Then click Next. You'll now choose how your business serves customers. You'll see two options. One for businesses that are nationwide, worldwide, or online only, and another for those that operate from a physical address or within a local service area. Click the option that best fits your business. If you're exploring, you can click each option to see what it entails, then reselect the one that truly applies to you before moving forward. Click Next when you're ready. You'll be asked again to type into the highlighted field. Fill it out thoughtfully and naturally, keeping it relevant to your homepage or offering. Then click Next. Next, select. Add text to the homepage. Make sure your homepage has a concise, descriptive paragraph that explains who you are, what you offer, and who it's for. Aim for plain language with your main topic included once in a natural way. Allow indexing to make your homepage visible in search results. Only leave indexing off if your site is under construction and not ready to be found. Choose Optimize the site for mobile devices. Preview your site on mobile and ensure headings, images, and buttons scale correctly. Mobile usability is a ranking factor and improves visitor experience. Continue with Connect this site to a custom domain. This is a premium feature that strengthens your brand and helps SEO. Follow the prompts, use the highlighted control when shown, and confirm by selecting Connect this site to a custom domain. Move on to Step 2. Optimize the site pages for search engines. Open it, and if prompted again, open it once more to review the page-level guidance. Take a moment to click SEO is a work in progress. Learn more about what it can do for this site to understand how ongoing improvements impact visibility. Finally, return to the SEO Setup checklist to see your progress. That's it. Your Wix SEO basics and key advanced settings are in place. Keep refining page titles, descriptions, and